begin the installation of your SlimTech case onto your MacBook Air, first open the device. We're going to start with the bottom case along the front edge. Insert at an angle and work the clips backwards. Make sure the rear clips are secure. Next, we're going to grab the top case. We're going to slide these upper clips over the monitor. This step's really important. Once that's set, we're going to secure the lower clips and make sure that they're secure on all sides. We're good to go. To remove your device from your case, we're going to start with the bottom. Work your way back from the rear clips and use your thumb to pry the rest of the clips off. These can be pretty tight due to the secure, precise fit of our cases. Once the bottom's been removed, we'll work our way to the top. We're going to start by popping off the bottom rear clips. Once those are released, now we can do the critical step of sliding the case off of the monitor. Pull the case off, and you're good to go.